How to replace a Human Touch ALTUS pad set. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, lift up the front seat cushion flap, then unscrew the two knobs that secure the cushion to the chair. Slide the seat cushion forward to expose the connectors, disconnect the connectors, then remove the seat cushion from the chair. From the rear of the chair, detach the two clips that secure the lower edge of the backrest pad. Finally, detach the flaps on the sides and top of the backrest pad, then remove the backrest pad from the chair. To install the new pads, first place the body pad into position. Press down on the side and top flaps to secure the flaps using the hook and loop fasteners. Tuck the lower edge of the pad under the backrest, then, from the rear of the chair, attach the two clips to secure it. Before replacing the seat cushion, note the connector and the two mounting points on the underside of the seat, the bracket hooks under the center rear chair frame, and the two front posts must be inserted into the corresponding holes at the front of the frame. Lower the seat cushion into position, leaving room to access the connectors, then connect the connectors. Slide the seat backward to engage the center bracket with the chair frame, then lower the two mounting posts into the corresponding holes on the frame. Use your fingers to confirm that the posts are installed into the holes. Install the two knobs you previously removed onto the mounting posts to secure the front of the seat cushion to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair. Power it on, and we're done.